Tapos, sa task 2 ng TEF, you are going to like justify your point of view. May mabibigyan ka ng parang opinion ng isang writer ng isang newspaper or like editor-in-chief ng isang newspaper. Kunyari, sabi niya, in the year 2020, wala nang libro. So,
Okay.
kailangan mong magsabi ng 3 arguments mo. Like, bakit ka nag-a-agree? Dapat meron kang 3 evidence.
Oo.
And yung 3 evidence mo, dapat may facts kang ilagay. Saan mo nabasa, may mga survey ka. But that one po, hindi siya ipa-fact check.
Okay.
You can just make it up like, last year there was a l'année dernière, il y a un sondage mené après des jeunes Canadiens. So like it's easy na gagawin mo na lang yung kunyari bang template mo for that na 3 arguments. You just put in your ideas depending sa subject. So for me, mas structured talaga yung PDF.